Seagull Island. It looks like a safe place. It's a death trap. Don't take it from me. Go see for yourself. We're gonna go. Seagull Island is inhabited by 9 million seagulls. They live off of bodies of their victims. Seagull Island was formed at the clash of the continents. Unlike other seagulls, these ones never evolved. Their genes still prehistoric. Their only care and concern in the world, survival. Legends say that once there was a tour boat. As a tourist parked on Seagull Island, they were all instantly torn apart by beaks and feathers. There were no survivors. Body parts were never found. How did they know that all the people were eaten by seagulls? They didn't. What do I think of Seagull Island? I'm terrified. What was that? It all makes sense why there's a enter at your own risk perimeter. Seagull Island's worse. I hate that place. I'm getting disoriented. It's not a rarity on Seagull Island. My eyes! What is the most terrifying thing about Seagull Island? Staring death straight in the face. I left that island physically complete. Left there though, my soul. More deaths came from Seagull Island than ever came from the mouth of Ogopogo. I'd choose Jurassic Park over that place. I'd go hang out with Blair Witch before I ever went back there. I'd go swimming in sewer drains to go locate it before I ever went back to Seagull Island. Winds are picking up. The water's getting colder. I have no more snacks. All signs to go forward in my expedition are pointing to no. Ask again later. Outlook, not so good. No. I'm just kidding. I wasn't even kind of going to Seagull Island. I made that mistake 2 years ago and I was petrified. This was more like a reenactment of that. Going to crash.